Starting a crystal business. Crystals have been used for their healing properties for centuries, and now they are becoming more popular than ever. If you're someone who loves crystals and wants to turn your passion into a business, then this video is for you. Before we get started, please subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you can stay in the loop about crucial information that can benefit your business. In the United States, the crystal industry is estimated to be worth around 1.5 billion annually. This means there's a huge market that you can tap into. Now, starting a crystal business can be overwhelming, but with the right strategy, you can make it a success. Here are some tips to help you get started. The crystal market is vast, and it can be tough to stand out. To make your business unique, define your niche. What type of crystals will you specialize in? What is your target market? Answering these questions will help you differentiate your business from others. Finding a reliable supplier is essential when starting a crystal business. You want to ensure that you're getting high-quality crystals at a fair price. Research various suppliers, read reviews, and compare prices before making a decision. Your brand is your business identity. It is essential to create a memorable one that represents your values and resonates with your target market. Create a logo, choose your color scheme, and design your website to establish your brand. In today's digital age, an online store is crucial for any business's success. Set up your website, choose your e-commerce platform, and list your products. Also, don't forget to make sure that your website is user-friendly and optimized for search engines. Of course, marketing is the key to success in any business. Use social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest to showcase your products and connect with potential customers. You can even collaborate with influencers and run ads to increase your brand awareness. Starting a crystal business takes time, effort, and dedication. By following these tips and strategies, you can turn your passion for crystals into a profitable business. If you want to learn more about how to get your company off the ground, please visit legalregistration.com. Or you can call our business formation team right now, 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about the steps of starting a crystal business? Does the process seem simple or complicated? Leave your comment below and let us know what you think. Please also don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you can keep up with important business registration information.